Hello students, standard 7. Subject is English grammar. We have completed our chapter number 7, 8 and we have started a new chapter that is expressing the future. We are talking about the tenses. We have three main tenses: present, past and future. Present means this time, past means whatever happened in the past, and future tense means what now. Now we will talk about the expressing the future. So what is the future tense? First of all, let's see. The future tense is used to talk about action that will take place in the future. Used to talk about an action that will take in the future, that is we can call the future tense. Means whatever the things going to happen in the future, that is the future tense. For example, I am speaking now, right? But if you will be here, I will teach this lesson again. મોડા ભણાઈ રહી છું તો તમે તો કહો છો ત્યારે પણ હું આ લેસન બનાવીશ. મીન્સ આમ ટોકિંગ અબાઉટ ધ ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ કે હું આ કરીશ, હું ત્યાં જઈશ, હું ત્યાં આવીશ, હું ત્યાં બેસીશ, હું ત્યાં ખાઈશ. So you can remember the future tense from the Gujarati word is. Is એટલે હું ખાઈશ, હું પીશ, હું બેસીશ. તો આ બધું ફ્યુચરમાં આપણે કરવાના છે. ના કે હમણાં બેસી હું બેસું છું, હું બેઠી, બરાબર એવું બોલીશું. પણ આપણે ફ્યુચરમાં કરીશું, હું ત્યાં જઈશ, હું ત્યાં આવીશ, તો આપણે is પાછળ આપણે ગુજરાતી વર્ડમાં બોલીએ છીએ, રાઈટ? તો is એ જે વર્ડ છે that is will, right? I will teach, I will speak. Okay, this is about the future tense. In that also we have the four sub tenses, right? Future tense also has the four sub tenses. That is, first of all we have simple future tense. Then second is continuous future tense. Third is perfect and perfect continuous future tense. Okay, so let's see first of all the simple future tense. We will discuss the simple future tense. First of all, this see the definition. What is the simple future tense? First of all, the simple future tense is used for actions that will happen at some point of time in the future. Simple future tense that will happen at some point of time in the future, that is we can call simple future tense. For example, if we will see, let us see the structure of the simple future tense. First of all will come subject, then after you have to use will or shall, then after you have to use the base form of the verb. Means here we have to use what? Base form of the verb. Or we can say verb 1. Then after the object will come. Okay, let's see the example. I will go there. I will go there. I is subject, will, ish, હું ત્યાં જઈશ, તો ish. I will go is the base form of the verb. Okay, so students, here we have the first exercise of simple future tense. Now in these sentences you have to write if they refer to future tense or present tense. તમને મેં ક્લિયરલી કહી દીધું હતું કે ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ એટલે શું છે, પ્રેઝન્ટ ટેન્સ મતલબ હાલમાં જે થઈ રહ્યું છે તેની વાત હોય, અને ફ્યુચર મતલબ આવતીકાલે થશે, આવનારા સમયમાં થશે, તેને ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ કહેવાય, રાઈટ. તો આપણે ટાઈમ પીરિયડને નોટ કરીને આપણે આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું છે, નામ ખાલી લખવાનું છે કે ધીસ ઇઝ future tense, this is present tense. Okay, so first one we will see the film starts at 8 p.m. tonight. film હજી 8 વાગે રાત્રે સ્ટાર્ટ થશે. તો મેં તમને કીધું હતું કે ઇસ, આપણે જે બોલીએ છીએ ગુજરાતીમાં ઇસ, એ હોય તો એને શું કહેવાય? ધારો કે લાઈક આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં આ થશે, આ હું જોવા જઈશ, આ ચાલુ થશે. That means it shows the future tense, right? It shows the future tense. So what's the answer first? Future tense. What? Future tense. First one is future tense. I'm just writing F. You have to understand it's about future tense. Second number is Tara is having lunch with me in the afternoon. Tara is having lunch with me in the afternoon. So, what's the answer? Yes, of course, it's also future tense. તારા મારી જોડે આફ્ટરનૂનમાં લંચ કરશે. So, it is future tense. Third is our school reopens after vacations next week. અમારી સ્કૂલ રીઓપન થશે વેકેશનના પછી નેક્સ્ટ વીકમાં. That means it shows the future time. So this is also future tense. Fourth number, we are visiting our cousins next week. આપણા કઝિન, અમારા કઝિનો નેક્સ્ટ વીકમાં મળવા જઈશ. That means of course it's a future tense. Fifth number, the mall closes at 6 p.m. today. Mall 6 p.m. ના સાંજે બંધ થઈ જશે. તો ફ્યુચર છે, હજુ બંધ થયો નથી, બંધ થશે. 7 નંબર, I begin my music classes soon. I begin my music classes soon. તો મેં સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું છે મારા મ્યુઝિક ક્લાસીસ. તો હું કરવા જઈ નહીં રહી. I have already started means I begin. So that means 7 number or 6 number? 6 number, yes. Sorry, I begin my music classes is 7 number. It's a future tense. And now 6 number, we are having dinner. We are having dinner. मतलब અમે લોકો ખાઈ રહ્યા છે. That means we are doing the activity in the present. So the 6th number is present. Last one, 8 number. I visit my friends on weekends. So ડેલી રૂટીન એક્ટિવિટીની વાત છે, એક્શન બતાવે છે, હેબિટ બતાવે છે કે દર વીકેન્ડમાં અમે જઈએ છીએ. That means it's a simple present tense. So the answer is present tense. Okay. So this is the activity of simple present tense. Read these sentences and write if they are referred to present or future tense. Okay. Okay, so now we will see future continuous tense. So what is future continuous tense? So here I have written the definition that future continuous tense is used for action that will start in the future and continue for some times. Okay, future continuous tense means you know the continuous tense ing form, right? I am reading, I am writing. You all know about the present tense, about the continuous The structure is, first of all will come subject, then will be, then the base of the verb with ing form. Verb with ing form and then object. Okay, this is how you have to write a sentence of the future continuous tense. Remember the structure. Structure is very important. If you know the structure, then you can easily make the sentence. You can easily change the sentence into any tense. Okay, let's see the example of this future continuous tense. For example, you can say that she will be meeting the children on Friday. She is the subject, then we have write will be compulsory in the future continuous tense. She will be verb with ing form like meet. Meet, so ing form you have to use meeting. She will be meeting children on this Friday. She will be meeting children on this Friday. Okay. Or another sentence you can say, our teacher will be correcting the errors, or our teacher will be correcting our answers question. Okay. So this is about the future continuous tense. I hope you understand the future continuous tense. There are some activity you have to write about the future continuous tense. That read this sentence and write they are referred to present or future tense. તમારે એક્ટિવિટી છે કે પ્રેઝન્ટ કે ફ્યુચર ટેન્સ ને રિફર કરે છે સેન્ટેન્સ કે તમારે કહેવાનું છે. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, the film start at 8 p.m. tonight. The film start at 8 p.m. tonight. यानी कि जो फिल्म स्टार्ट नहीं થઈ, मतलब will નો યુઝ નહીં થયો, તો ફિલ્મ સ્ટાર્ટ થઈ છે ના, ફિલ્મ સ્ટાર્ટ થશે tonight, આજે રાત્રે. That means we are talking about the future tense. So first sentence is future tense. Second is Tara is having lunch with me in the afternoon. બપોરે મારી જોડે લંચ કરશે, કરવાની છે. That is also our school reopens after vacation. We are visiting our cousin next week. So you can identify these sentences. Now future continuous tense, I hope you understand. That is one blank activity. In the bracket you have verb and you have to put in the correct form with ing form. Okay, I have several to tell. I am what will come. I will be visiting the dentist. Okay, so like this future continuous tense change. Now next we will see the third one, the last one we will see, that is future perfect tense. Now here we have about the future continuous exercise. Fill in the blanks using the future continuous tense of the given verbs. You can see in the bracket the verbs are given, and I hope you understand the future continuous tense. So we have to change into future continuous tense. So let's see. The first one is I have several toothache. I will have the dentist. Or yes, I told you that you have to write will be and visit. So have visiting, will be visiting. Okay, will be, what's the answer will come? First is will be visiting. So you have to write here will be and visit લખવાનું, visit ની પાછળ શું લખવાનું? ing form of the continuous tense. Second number, Dina blank for the birthday party. In bracket given come. So the answer is obviously will be coming. Will be coming. Third number, we blank our holidays in Delhi these years. So first answer will be spending. We will be spending our holidays in Delhi this year. Fourth number, we blank lots of mangoes from Mumbai in bracket given get. So the answer is we will be getting lots of mangoes from Mumbai. Fifth number is by this time next week I blank in Singapore in bracket given work. So the answer is I will be working in Singapore. Next is blank you blank the concert this year in bracket given attend. So what you will write? Yes, you have to write first will here and then in the second blank you have to write be attending. Okay, be attending. 7 number, the Ghosh family blank to Kerala this summer in bracket given fly. So what's the answer will come? The Ghosh family will be flying to Kerala this summer. Last one, blank Tandra blank with you in April. So the answer is will. First will come will Tandra. Yes, will Tandra be staying with you in April. Okay, so this is about the future continuous tense. You have to change, you have to add will be, and after you very easy it is, right? You just have to add will be, and in the verb you have to put ing form. So will be visiting, will be coming, will be meeting, will be spending. Okay, if the question are there, so you all know that in a tenses I told you that you have to change into interrogative, that you have to change into will, you have to write at the first and then subject and then main verb with ing form. Before that you have to write be. Okay, so this is about the future continuous tense. I hope you understand the future continuous tense. Okay. Now we have next one is future perfect tense. So what is future perfect tense? So that is used to talk about a future activity that will be finished by or before a specific time in the future. That is we can call the future perfect tense. Perfect tense તમને ખબર છે means what? Perfect means what? Completed, finished થઈ ગયું હોય તે. So future tense, perfect tense is activity that will be finished by or before a specific time in the future. That is called future perfect tense. This is how structure I have written, that is subject plus will have. You know that have we are using for the future perfect tense. So with will you have to use have, and verb you have to use in a third form, past participle of the verb. P dot P, that means past participle of the verb, or in bracket also I have written that verb 3 you have to use, and at last you have to use object. Let's see the example of the future perfect tense. For example, by 4 o'clock tomorrow, by 4 o'clock tomorrow, the train will be left. The train